In this video, I'll show you how to create images using Grok. The process is very simple. All you need to do is visit the official Grok website. Once you're there, you'll find two methods for generating images. The first method is to simply type your prompt into the prompt box. For example, I'll enter "generate an image of Elon Musk wearing a Superman suit" and press enter. Grok will quickly generate images. When you use this option, it produces two images. As you can see, it has generated our images. Both look great, and the AI has ensured that all the details of the real person remain consistent. Once you open an image, you'll see several options below it. First, you have the option to convert the image into a video. Next to the Make Video option, there's a Creative option with multiple templates to transform the image into different styles. For example, I'll select the graffiti style. It will take a moment to process. As you can see, the graffiti style image has been generated, and both versions look very cool. If I open them, you'll see the same options as before. Next to the Creative option is the Background option, where you can change the image's background. As you can see, multiple presets are available. I'll choose London. After a brief wait, our images are ready. The first shows London as the background, while the second retains the graffiti style, which looks very cool. Next is the Subject option, where you can modify the subject's appearance. You can add a stylish hat, a mustache, a superhero costume already applied here, golden eyes, and more. I'll select the Time Traveler option. As you can see, the image has been completely transformed. Both versions look great. Below these preset options, there's a prompt bar where you can describe custom edits. For example, I'll enter "remove glasses." Simply type your prompt and press enter. As you can see, it has removed the glasses. However, note that it has lost some key features that made this subject look like Elon Musk, something worth considering. At the top, you'll find several useful options. The first option returns you to the original image. The next option regenerates a new version of your edit. The download option saves the image to your PC, and the share option creates a link you can send to anyone. That covers the first method for generating images. The second method uses the Imagine option in the left sidebar. Clicking it opens the dashboard for generating images and videos. At the bottom, you'll see a prompt field along with an option to attach reference images. I'll enter "man sitting on an elephant." Next, select your preferred aspect ratio. I'll choose the first option. Below that, choose whether to generate a video or images. I'll select images. Note that this method generates multiple images. After pressing enter, within seconds, all images are ready. A unique feature of this method is that if you keep scrolling, the images never end. Grok continuously generates more as you scroll. You can select any image you prefer and continue editing it. If I click on an image, Grok prompts me to generate a video from it. You can enter a video prompt, select presets like spicy, then click Make Video to generate your video. To download the image, click the Download option. The Share option creates a link for your team. One important thing to note is that when using the Imagine function, your free credits get consumed quickly. You won't be able to generate more images until you purchase a paid plan. I recommend using the chat section instead to conserve credits. Those are the ways to generate images in Grok. That's all for this video. To learn how to generate videos in Grok, click the video appearing on your screen.